Solomon, the son of King David, wasn't just known for his wisdom. He was one of the wealthiest men to ever live. But how did he achieve such immense wealth? Is there a hidden code that unlocked his prosperity? The answer is yes. In this video, I'm going to reveal not just one, but 3 secret wealth codes that Solomon used. And one of these is hidden deep within the Bible. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll discover how you can access these same codes to transform your life and manifest wealth and abundance. If you're serious about changing your financial future, hit the like button and comment below what wealth means to you. Let's dive into the secrets of Solomon's riches. I know some of you may already be thinking, but Solomon was born into wealth, wasn't he? Or he made mistakes, so what can we really learn from him? Let me clear something up. Wealth isn't about perfection. It's about making choices that amplify your virtues or your imperfections, depending on where you focus. Code 1, manifestation through wisdom. Solomon didn't just inherit wealth from King David, he understood that wealth alone wouldn't be enough to ensure a prosperous and lasting reign. When God appeared to him in a dream and offered him anything he desired, Solomon didn't ask for riches, power, or long life. Instead, he asked for wisdom. Why? Because he knew that true success, both in life and in leadership, comes not just from material wealth, but from the ability to use wisdom to manage it. This is the first secret code, the wisdom to govern your life and make sound decisions. As Solomon wisely said, how much better to get wisdom than gold, to get insight rather than silver. Think about this for a moment. What good is wealth if you don't know how to maintain or grow it? Without wisdom, riches can slip through your fingers as quickly as they come. Wisdom, on the other hand, creates a foundation for sustaining and multiplying wealth. It helps you make the right decisions, seize opportunities, and avoid the pitfalls that could lead to ruin. So, the lesson here is clear. Seek wisdom first, for it will unlock doors to wealth that you never imagined. Wealth without wisdom is fleeting, but wisdom can manifest wealth in ways you can't foresee. When your mind is filled with wisdom, you're able to recognize opportunities, build valuable connections, and make decisions that bring lasting prosperity. You must understand that wealth is already available to you. It's all around you. The key is your mindset. How you think, what you focus on, and the wisdom you develop will determine whether you can manifest that wealth in your life. Solomon's story is a powerful reminder that true wealth begins in the mind. So work on your mindset, focus on growing your wisdom, learning from every experience, and seeking knowledge that will help you make better decisions. The more you grow in wisdom, the more you'll see wealth naturally flowing into your life. This is a principle that has stood the test of time, and it's one that can lead you to incredible abundance if you embrace it fully. Do you agree? Share your thoughts in the comments. How does wisdom shape your life? And if you're ready to receive more, keep watching because it's about to get even more powerful. Code 2, taking action. The second code Solomon teaches us is the principle of taking possession, putting wisdom into action. Wisdom without action is incomplete, and it's in the execution that real transformation happens. Solomon, in all his wealth and success, didn't just sit back and let things happen. As he wisely stated, lazy hands make for poverty, but diligent hands bring wealth. This means that no matter how much knowledge or wisdom you gain, it won't change your life until you act on it. Too often, people gain insight, read books, or attend seminars, but fail to implement what they've learned. This is where many people falter. Knowledge without action remains just potential. But when you combine wisdom with action, you create real, lasting change. Think about it like this. Solomon didn't just receive divine wisdom and then do nothing with it. He applied it in his daily governance, his relationships, and the decisions that built the wealth and legacy we still talk about today. Wisdom gave him the vision, but it was his actions that brought his vision to life. Every step he took, every decision he made, was guided by that wisdom. And the same is true for you. If you want to experience the full manifestation of wealth and success, you must be willing to take consistent, deliberate action. Every effort you make, no matter how small, compounds over time and leads to tangible gains. Your life is shaped not just by what you know, but by what you do with that knowledge. So let's make this personal. Think about the wisdom you've acquired up to this point in your life. What's one area where you know you could take action but haven't yet? Maybe it's a financial opportunity you've been putting off, a skill you know you need to develop, or a relationship that requires your attention. The key here is simple. Identify where you can act today, no matter how small the step. Remember, wisdom becomes power when you act on it. Moreover, understand that taking action doesn't always mean grand, life-changing moves. Sometimes it's the small, consistent actions that yield the most significant results over time. Solomon's wealth wasn't built overnight, but through careful, diligent efforts over the years. He understood that consistent work, guided by wisdom, would bring about the outcomes he desired. The same principle applies to you. Start with what you have, where you are, and take the first step. Success and wealth will follow when your actions are aligned with the wisdom you've gained. Now think about what you can do right now, today, to put your wisdom into action. It could be as simple as making a phone call, writing a plan, or starting a project you've been delaying. Whatever it is, take that step with confidence, knowing that each action you take brings you closer to your goals. Solomon's success was built on both his wisdom and his willingness to act on it, and yours can be too. If you're feeling inspired right now, go ahead and hit the like button, and tell me in the comments, what's one step you're taking today to put your wisdom into practice? Code 3, honor and gratitude. The third code Solomon exemplifies is subtle yet immensely powerful: honor, gratitude, and sincerity. These are the virtues that keep you grounded and connected to the infinite source of abundance. Solomon, though he was blessed with incredible wisdom and wealth, didn't take any of it for granted. He had a heart full of gratitude, recognizing that everything he had, his wisdom, his wealth, and his power, came from a higher source. His prayers and actions reflected this deep sense of appreciation. He didn't just ask God for wisdom for his own benefit. He honored God and acknowledged the legacy of his father, King David. This shows us that before we can receive more, we must honor what we already have and express gratitude for it. Gratitude is not just an emotion. It's a spiritual practice that opens the door to more blessings. When you truly appreciate what you already possess, you activate a flow of abundance in your life. Solomon's wisdom was a gift, but his ability to show honor and gratitude for that gift allowed him to multiply it. Gratitude changes your perspective. It shifts your focus from lack to abundance. Instead of seeing what you don't have, you begin to see the richness already present in your life. This mindset shift is essential for manifesting more wealth, happiness, and success. Just as Solomon honored God and his father, we must honor the sources of our own blessings, whether it's our family, mentors, or opportunities. Now take a moment to reflect on what you are truly grateful for today. It might be your health, your relationships, or the opportunities you've been given. Sometimes we get so caught up in pursuing our goals that we forget to acknowledge what we've already achieved. But gratitude is a powerful force. It attracts more of what you appreciate into your life. When you are sincerely grateful, you align yourself with the flow of abundance. Solomon understood this on a deep level, and his gratitude kept him connected to that infinite source of wealth, allowing him to attract even more. Think about how you can incorporate more gratitude and honor into your daily life. Perhaps it's by taking a few moments each day to express thanks for the blessings you've received. Maybe it's by honoring the people who have helped you along your journey, or by showing appreciation for the opportunities you've been given. Whatever form it takes, This practice will elevate your mindset and position you to receive even more. Gratitude creates a cycle of abundance. The more grateful you are, the more you'll have to be grateful for. Ultimately, the lesson here is that honor and gratitude are not just about saying thank you or recognizing your blessings. They are about cultivating a sincere heart that appreciates life's gifts. When you live in a state of gratitude, you naturally attract more wealth, success, and happiness. Solomon's life is a testament to this truth. His sincere gratitude and honor for what he had opened the floodgates of abundance in his life. Now, it's your turn. Focus on what you're grateful for, honor your blessings, and watch as more flow into your life. Remember the story of Solomon's judgment when two women came to him with one living child. Solomon's wisdom given to him by God was put to the test. This moment of judgment wasn't just about wisdom, it was about action, sincerity, and discernment. Solomon had to prove to his people that he was fit to reign, and he did so by exercising wisdom in real-life situations. You see, wisdom isn't just something you possess, it's something you apply. If you want to manifest wealth, take action with the wisdom you've acquired, and write this down in the comments to solidify this knowledge. To manifest wealth, I put into action the wisdom I've gained. Before we finish, I want you to think about this. How are you going to apply what you've learned today? Don't just listen, act on it. Leave a comment below sharing your next step. And if you found this valuable, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next video where we go even deeper. We're coming to the end of this video, but the journey doesn't end here. Let's continue the conversation in the comments. I look forward to hearing your thoughts. Until next time.